Hey guys, come up to my local park to do a little filming, and was actually going to film some other things, and I spotted some things in the woods that I'm very interested in. First, well, red russulas everywhere. Yeah, it's a type of mushroom, and no, they're pretty much not edible. They're not poisonous, but not much on the edible scale. But anyway, what I spotted was over here. Some chicken mushrooms galore. I mean, check these out. These were not here Monday, because I was in this park Monday, and these chickens were not here. There's one, two, three of them up that one against the tree there. So, just to show you the size of them, I'm going to put my knife on one, and you'll see the size. This is a Mora 511 knife. So this mushroom is about, I'd say 16 inches in diameter or so. And the one behind it is smaller, but that's okay, because actually the fresher the better. And these are going to make some fine eating. Love these things. Last year I didn't find any of them in this park, and I think last year I didn't find any. Maybe I found one, but not in the usual places. So, but anyway, just wanted to show you these, and I'm going to cut some. Actually, this one's really young, but I'm going to take it anyway because they're better this way to eat. Well, let's see here. I'll trim this up. Be right back, guys. There we go. Trimmed it up. Get my thumb out of the way here. Trimmed it up. Make some nice eating. Of course, without that stink bug. So let's get rid of him. Oh, there you go, buddy. Put him back on the ground, but nice mushroom, nice. And this big one's going home with me too, and that one there. So thanks for staying with me. Maybe I really should explain the chicken mushroom a little bit while I've got the chance. This is I guess it's the scientific name is oh darn it, it's slipping my mind. Anyway, it's called the white chicken, and it's a Cincinnatus mushroom. And the reason it's called the white chicken is because it's not your typical yellow sulfur color. The bottom of it is white, and the bottom of the mushroom is porous. So it has no gills, and it grows quite big, and usually you see them in July, August. And this Cincinnatus is a chicken mushroom that's mycorrhizal with oak trees, and they tend to grow off the base of the tree and off of the tree roots themselves. So just a little bit more information on it, and they're quite edible, and a good one too. So I'll let you go for now, guys. The next video I'll show you, we'll probably be cooking them. All right, thanks. See you later.